Baena is focusing on intelligent and 3D bus bar processing line with our own 3D bus bar program software, Neste. This is our intelligent 3D bus bar bending machine, EMAC-BB with AirLink. Machine is designed by our Germany engineer and adopts all-in shipment design. Our 3D software can import both SolidWorks and AutoCAD drawing files directly, besides its own 3D drawing functions. Flat bending with automatic spring-back compensating electronic die, edgewise bending from drawing directly, and optional roll twisting tool are all available from the same bending machine.